Hi everyone, welcome to the DIY Investing Guide channel on YouTube. I'm Callum. This will be my third update in my Freetrade portfolio updates, which I've got a stocks and shares ISA with. It's only going to be a quick update today because I've just done one over a week ago, but obviously I've put a bit of money into these accounts the last week or so, and I've topped up some of my high conviction positions. If you're new to the channel, I'd just like to ask you if you could subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for future videos and portfolio updates. And if you could all just smash that like button just to help this video, and obviously to see how the video is doing, see how if you've enjoyed the video or not. I'm just going to quickly go through what's happened this week in my Freetrade portfolio. Obviously from the last video, you know, I've only got three companies in this portfolio. Nothing's changed in regards to how many companies I'm holding. I've got Alibaba in my general investment account. I've got two companies, Facebook and Tattoo Chef, in my ISA account. Alibaba's only in my general investment account because for some reason in Freetrade you can't hold it in your ISA account. So I'll just get to it. Obviously now you can see that this portfolio is in the green, about £52.46. It was about £130 in the green at the start of the week. Yeah, if you can see, I was about about 2,430 mark. That's because Facebook had a decent week as well. Tattoo Chef had a really good week with highs of about $23 a share. And as you know, in this portfolio, I've got an average buying price of about $18 a share. It had a pullback Friday, but I think that's just people taking profits and whatnot. If you look there, yeah, the high of... That's just the 1 month graph. I'll try and get this 7-day graph here. Yeah, it's about $22 a share. So yeah, and then obviously it's pulled back Friday out there. But I think that's just people selling for taking a bit of profit off the table. So a lot of people brought into Tattoo Chef in the dip, in TTCF in the dip. So yeah, there's been a bit of a pullback towards the end of the week. Obviously, some of it could have been the gain in the last week could have been put down to a bit of a short squeeze, because obviously it's quite a high percentage. I think about 30% short coverage at the moment, which is quite high. And so yes, a lot of it can be put down to a short squeeze. Beyond Meat, another company that's very similar to this with plant-based products, had a really good run last week, about 40% increase in its share price last week, which could also be put down to a short squeeze. But I won't be selling my position. I've learnt my lesson with like Greggs and stuff. Like, you know, there will be a few pullbacks. There might be some more buying opportunities, but I'm looking at this as a 2, 3 year, 4, 5 year stock where it's going to be trading at $40, $50 a share. And then if the company's still running operationally the same, with the same sort of outlook and the same sort of mindset, and the management's still doing a good job, I'll probably hold on still and hopefully, you know, get to $100 a share at least. You know, so I'm potentially a multi-bagger, not just 100% a multi-bagger in the future, if I still like the company and the management. So yeah, I'm not going to be selling Tattoo Chef. I haven't even got the position size I want yet, to be honest. I've only got 74 shares. I'll be quite happy to own 1,000 shares of this company, you know, in my overall portfolio. So if the price goes down, I'll be buying more. So what I've done this week is I've obviously topped up before the spike in the share price, I topped up my Tattoo Chef to get it to around about £1,000 cost price. Same with Facebook, I've done that as well, and that's had a decent win. That's gone up to about $3.28 a share, it was $3.32 a share at one point. So yeah, that was looking quite good. So I'm sitting on a nice healthy £28 profit there on Facebook, but I'm not really looking at whether it's going to go up in the short term. I'm looking for long-term growth in these portfolios. Obviously, you can see I've got one free share there because someone's signed up to Freetrade using my link. So I'd also say if you're new to investing, there will be a link in the description of this video. So if you want to sign up to Freetrade, just sign up. Fill out the W form so you can buy foreign shares and deposit the minimum amount into account. Then you can put a tenner in there, and then you'll get a free share between £3 and £200. So it's free money really. So it's nothing to be sniggered at, and it's genuine. It's a great platform. You obviously using it to. I've opened a stocks and shares ISA in there, so I obviously think it's a decent platform to use. yeah, so that's my holdings now in Tattoo Chef and Facebook. Nice, building the core nicely. I've got in at good average prices. I would be hoping I won't be buying any more of Facebook until it's in the, you know, back to, unless it drops back to the $300 mark. I think I've been priced out of this a bit now. So, and the same with Tattoo Chef. I want to be buying Tattoo Chef sub $20 mark, because really I don't want to be averaging up my price. I know it's a great company, and I'm willing to you know, I would be happy to buy the company for around about $22, but I don't want to be averaging up my price at the moment. I think the way the market's been the last couple of months, it's just better to, you know, you could wait and then hopefully have dips in the market. I am happy with my position size that I can benefit from any gains in the market. It's not like I've only got £100 in the stock, and if it goes up 100%, I've got quite a decent size in my portfolio, and I've got a decent size in my main portfolio as well of both these companies. So I'm happy just to wait for the prices to become more reasonable. I am looking into other stocks at the moment to maybe add to my Freetrade portfolio, but I've got to do a bit more research on these stocks, and I haven't really found anything with a valuation that screams buy at the moment. So, you know, nothing really cheap that I can find at the moment. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So what I'll be doing now is I'll still be adding money into this every month. I've added £1,000 in the last week, but I think that was just to bulk up my positions before just in case the prices took off, and I wanted to have a decent sized position in all these companies. So I will be adding cash, adding money to these portfolios still every month, but obviously I won't be dollar cost averaging into these companies unless they're at the prices I want them to be. I'll just be building my cash position, because as you can see at the moment now, I've got £233 cash position. So I'll be building my cash position in this portfolio until I've got a decent sized cash position, and then I can take advantage of any dips or opportunities in the market in quality companies that I've researched and I love. And then finally in this portfolio, I've got not a real cash in here, but I've just built my Alibaba position up to 1,041. I think my average, it's about $220 a share is my average. I'm only £42 down in this portfolio on Alibaba. So I'm happy with that. Like, this is a real long-term hold as well. And I'm still happy to buy, you know, it's $213 a share. So I'm still happy to buy Alibaba at them prices and build that position up. So I'll still be buying a bit of Alibaba every month at the moment. Yeah. So that's basically my whole portfolio for the month. I hope not for the month, for the last week or so. I hope you've enjoyed this update. It's been a quicker one. And just ask you again to smash the like button if you've enjoyed the update. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell if you're new to the channel, and have a nice day.